Hi everyone, Steven here with Lights at Wholesale and Invisilights. I just wanted to share a quick story from this week. We got a call from a customer about their permanent lights not working properly, and they sent us this picture. The great thing about Invisilight's permanent lighting is that all the lights actually tell you what's wrong based on the color they show you. So we had to crawl through the crawl space, checking for pinch wires, bad connections, or maybe even the wrong connector being used. We took down the lights, checked all the connections to make sure everything was tight and correct, but we still couldn't find the issue. After a closer look, we finally discovered the problem. We had accidentally put a screw partially through one of the wires, and when the wire heated up, it caused extra friction and prevented the lights from working properly. Taking the extra time to make sure wires are tucked, cuts are clean, and everything is in working order before you leave a job site will prevent you from coming back to jobs more than the initial install. And when trying to diagnose a problem, comb over every detail because we almost missed this one. Thank you for watching, and remember, attention to detail makes all the difference. Please give us a like and follow. Again, Steven with Invisilights. Have yourself an amazing Wednesday.